After November 9th, the Meghalaya Election Department will issue new epic cards with 6 security features, including a hologram for the upcoming Meghalaya Assembly election. These new epic cards with all the security features will be delivered to the new enrolled electors. Informing about this, Frederick Roy Karkongor, Chief Electoral Officer, Meghalaya, said the new epic, which has been approved by the Election Commission, will have some high security features that will make it slightly more secure card than was before, and of course, look, design and appearance also, it will have some special features.
The new epic, which is which has been approved by the Election Commission, will have some high security features. There'll be some gloch patterns, and there'll be some more features which are embedded within the epic card, which will make it a slightly more secure card than it was before. And of course, in the look and the design and the appearance also, it will have some special features. So all states, including us, we will be launching this new cards after the 9th of December. After the 9th of November, they will be getting these new cards.